Okay. A very good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh yeah, good morning. Good morning,
Good morning.
young guys.
Good morning, Miss Aisha.
I love that. Can we all sing the good morning song?
Yes.
Okay,
Good
awesome.
morning.
I have to start first, Alia. You forgot that. Oh no. Yes, he forgot. Okay, everybody, let's do that. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good
Morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, we are done there. All right, everyone. It's such a nice day, is it? Okay, that's nice. Hi, Chris. Hi, Alia.
It's my birthday.
Musa.
Not your birthday. It's my birthday. Because
Oh,
I
Daniel,
can go out.
Ala, Shresh. Who else? You missed few children there.
Hi.
Alpha, Zen, Divi. Hey, Hala. Oh, it's not Hala, it's Mohammed joining. And Nora. Nora, why is your video off today? Nora is here? I thought she's in India. Yeah, she flew. Okay, children, I'm glad we sorted the video issues. Now we are going to start sharing the screen, okay? Wow. What are we learning today? Today we are learning to sleep. To sleep? We are not going to learn to sleep. Oh, to snore? Do we gather here every day to learn to sleep and to snore? Is it? Melissa, why do we gather every Sunday? Who can tell me?
Melissa, you're so silly.
I am not.
In
Why
your
are
brain
we
is
here?
not working. Have a good sleep in the class. To learn.
That's good. To learn. Thank you, Musa. Yes, we are here to learn what? Phonics.
Only for nap time, also only for night time.
Okay. So now, today we are going to teach you a new sound. Okay, Aliam, listening ears. So, what are we learning today? Today, Melissa, are going to sleep? No, I don't want to. No, I don't want to, but no. She was disturbing a lot. Okay, fine. So today we are going to learn this. When letter U and E, A and E, when they are together, they make the sound U. What's the sound? U. So today we will learn all the words that have the U sound, and we are going to write inside this. So can you see this? Is it clear? Let me pin myself. Okay, 1 second. Okay, can you see this? So this is supposed to look like this. Okay.
Yeah.
And when you open, there should be few compartments like this. So whichever word we are going to read, you're going to write in this box. The next word over here, then here. So like this, you will be writing the words inside this. Okay. Once this is filled, what are you going to do? You're going to try writing in the next one, next template. Okay. Over here. Cool. We will write it together. Do not just start writing. First, we need to read and then only we write. Okay, dokie?
Okay.
Good. I love that. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen. Hi, Ritika. You joined in late, darling.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Divi, can you see my screen, sweetheart?
Yes.
Okay, so today we are having a week
Yes, ma'am.
free online phonics class. So it's week 39 and next week it's going to be 40th. And I think most of you are already here. Next week it's my birthday. So my husband and my family, basically, they're taking me on staycation and I won't be available next Sunday. But I may not come out live like this, but I will be uploading a recorded session on YouTube. And I want you all to watch the video and complete the work. Share your work sample directly on Facebook group. Okay, that's how we are going to go about for next week. All right, everybody.
Yes.
Yes, I will be sharing the resources, everything by Thursday, inshallah, because Friday onwards, Miss Aisha will be off. So my Instagram and all, it will be active. It will be taken care by my manager. So you can, ping and drop your messages there. It's totally fine. Okay.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. That's sweet of you. I'm going to be a big girl now. All right, let's start reading these words. So we are today learning all the words that have U sound. U and E. 1 second. Who's that? Ada, you will have to watch your microphone. During the lesson, we don't disturb anyone. Okay? Ritika, I don't get any of your work samples, sweetheart. And you don't turn on your video as well. Okay. So it's U. Can we try reading this one? The very first one here. U. U. Q. Q. Can we try writing this word on the paper? U. This U and E makes the sound U. Q. Jot it down on your template quickly.
Q. I'm done now.
You done, sweetie pie?
Yeah.
All right, that's brilliant. U makes Q. And how am I going to write?
I finished.
You finished? That was real quick. Let me write it down too. U. See, this is how I'm going to write down. Let me stop sharing so that I can show you. I hope you all are writing that way. See?
I'm done.
Yeah.
This is how I want y'all. Okay? Now, can I see yours? Show me your work. Okay. You can write it straight, but I think this is a small word, so you could manage writing this way. But there will be big words as well. So it's better you write this way, okay? Slanting. Awesome. Okay. One more time. Can you all show me your work so that I can see it? Yes, Aliyan. Yes. Shresht, Mariam, Musa, Ala. Very nice. Divi, Chris. Yes, Zen. Big one, Zen. That's nice. Yours is quite dark, Arfa. I can't see that. Should have taken light colored paper too. Come forward and show it to me, Arfa. Nora. Oh, Nora, I can see you. Nora is studying even on vacation. That's the spirit. Mohammed, I hope you're writing too, sweetie. Okay, so let's move on to the next word.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, I love that. Yes. Okay. All right, let's read this one. D, U. D, U.
You.
Dew. Okay, let's write down the word. Dew. Come on, everyone. Dew. Done?
Yeah. Teacher, I'm done.
And pin the teacher to the screen too, okay? Look at this. Dew. Okay, okie dokie. Musa, show me your work too. I could see everybody's lovely. Mohammed, I hope you're writing too, darling. Yes, Musa. Musa, did you write the dew as well? Yes, I can see that. Good. All right. Shall I share the screen one more time?
Yes.
You guys are too good today. I love the positivity. Sharing a good vibe, everyone. Okay, the
Thank you, teacher.
next one. Bl. B and
You. Blue.
Blue. Yes, let's write down. Blue. It's not blue, okay? It's bl. B and l makes bl. Blue. Blue. Done? You guys are too fast. You should not be faster than the teacher. Melissa, look at this kid. smart. You're
And
not
then
supposed to be smarter than me.
I'm a smart kid. Do you know? I'm finished.
Oh God, look at these darling children.
I'm doing all the direct side. That's why.
Okay. Alian, I want you to write like this, the way teacher is writing. Yes, good job, everybody. I can see everyone showing off their work. Mohammed, honey, are you writing down? Try reading it along with us. Okay, Mohammed? Okay. Everyone has shown their work. All right. Awesome. So let's move on to the next one. Alpha, you will have to come closer because your paper is quite dark. Miss Aisha cannot see your work. Okay, I can see it now. All right. Okay, let me share the screen again. Ritika, you haven't shown it. Okay, come on.
Saisha, I'm sick today.
Sorry, honey.
Sick.
You're sick, and who's that? I can't see you. Who's sick?
Nora.
Nora, are you sick today? Oh, she's on vacation. She's sick again, and yet she's attending this session. Oh God, Nora, that's so lovely. I'm so proud of you. But Nora, don't stress yourself, okay? If you're feeling too unwell, you can check out the YouTube session later, YouTube video, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. So next one. It's not color. It is not color, okay? It's kl. It's not l. L is a sure sound. No. Okay? Clue. 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 Yes, clue. Everyone, I hope you all are repeating clue. And when you're writing, you are supposed to say the sounds. Yes, Chris.
I finished.
Done.
Clue.
Clue. Okay, clue. Done. Oh my God. These children are the best. Clue. Can you see that?
Yes, I'm the best teacher.
You all are the best, Alian. Okay, Nora, done? Okay.
Yes.
Done? Yes, I can see everyone showing up their work. That is so cool. Oh my God. I'm left with 2 more spaces here in this. And then I'm going to... Where is my other template? Melissa, did you take it?
Marisa took it.
Mr. Baksh, you took the template? That's my husband. Are you writing too? I did not ask for this. What is this all scribbling work? No. Mr. Smiley, did you take it? What is that? No, don't throw it on me. No. Mr. Smiley, you're not supposed to do during my class like that. But
Melissa.
Lord, Melissa. Mrs. Smiley, yeah, that one, Mrs. Smiley. Oh. Where did you drop it that? Yeah, I got it. No, not this one. Take it back. Give mine. Okay. Yes. Thanks. This is the one. This is mine. Thank you, Mr. Smiley. Okay. Now we're going to share the screen one more time. Okay. Let's try reading this word. G and L makes U. Glue. 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 Come on. Glue. I am done. Who else is done? I just finished writing.
I'm too done. I am done. First. Done.
I've got the best kids here. Glue.
Mine is this.
Show me your work, honey.
Done.
Whoa, that's cool. Divi, you didn't show your work, sweetie pie. Mohammed? Oh, yes, I saw that. Musa, can you flash your work one more time for me? Chris?
Miss
Properly? Yes, lovely, lovely, lovely. Everyone's showing it. Arfa, how about you? I hope you're writing it as well.
Miss Aisa.
Yes. Who called me? Divi. Yes, Divi, I saw your work, son. Okay, let's do this. And after that, we are going to play rock, paper, scissors. Okay?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yes. Once we are done with the words, I will call out your names and you're supposed to read the words for me. Okay? And if you can't, it's okay. Miss Aisha will help you out. All right? So you don't have to get panicked. Oh, I don't know the word. No, it's fine. I'm going to help you out. Okay?
Okay.
Okie dokie. Okay.
Okay, donkey.
Not donkey. It's okie dokie. Donkey becomes a different word then. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, this is a big word here, but we are going to use a chewing gum method to read this, okay? Okay, come on. Try reading. Rest. Rest. So we are breaking the word and we are trying to blend it, okay? Rest. You. You. Rescue. Rescue. What's the word, everybody? Rescue. Yes. That's lovely. Come on, write it down faster.
Oh my God, again, go! I'm done, ma'am.
Oh God. Who is that faster than me again?
Me too.
Rescue.
Rescue.
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Aisa.
Yes.
Here's the slide once again.
Okay, sweetie, you can see here. You can pin me to the screen and check this out. Rescue. See the sound. Rescue. Rescue.
Teacher, I have to make bigger.
Yeah, you will have to pin me to the screen, sweetheart. Okay? Done, darling? Everyone? Can I see your work one more time? Okay, Chris, Mariam, Shresh, Musa. Who else? Alian's done. I want Dhairya. Arfa Zain, can you show me your work? Musa, did you miss your smile somewhere? Did Melissa eat your smile? Where is your smile? Where's the smile? Oh, I think you're getting it back. Okay, fine, fine. I thought Melissa ate away. Yes, Devi. Can I see your work? Devi, Ala, Mohammed, Nora. Oh, yes, that's lovely. Okay, what happened? Nora says only I can switch it on. Oh, okay. Let me help you out. How did that happen? Oh, yes, I can see Nora. Oh.
I finished.
Nora, are you writing it down? Did you write the word rescue? You're done as well? Oh, awesome, awesome, awesome. See, I'm done too. Mohammed, are you done, darling? Oh, my Mohammed is also writing. Good job, Mohammed. So proud of you. Okay, so I'm done with my list of words. Now we are going to have a break time. It's rock, paper, scissors break. Okay, I'm sorry. All right. Okay, let's do this. Rock, paper, scissors. So this is rock. Good job, Arfa and Zen. This is, what is this?
Caesar.
Caesar. And how is the paper like this? Oh my God. Ah, okay. So rock, paper, Caesar. Okay. And remember, you are not supposed to trick me. You're going to do it along with me. Okay. So you cannot check, oh, what Miss Aisha is doing. Miss Aisha is doing paper. Let me do a rock. No. Or let me do a Caesar. No, you cannot do that. You have to do it along with me. Okay. No tricking the teacher. Okay.
Okay.
You cheeky kids. Okay, come on, let's do this. Rock, paper, scissors.
I got Caesar.
Which one?
I got rock.
Who got a
And I
rock?
got
Who got a paper? Everyone got Caesar? How is it? Oh, Chris
I
got
got
a rock. Okay. Nobody got a paper?
I got rock.
You got a rock? Okay.
I got a rock.
A rock can smash the Caesar, right? Oh, no way. Chris, you got me. All right, one more time. Everybody. Arfa and Zain, do you know this game? Do you know this game, rock, paper, Caesar? You do? I don't think so. I can't hear you, Arfa. Okay, one more time, all right? No tricking me, okay? This is rock, paper, Caesar. One more time. Rock, paper, Caesar.
I beat you.
Rock, paper, scissors.
You got
I got scissor.
I got Caesar. Where is he?
no one with the rock here. No one with a rock. Oh, I lost it one more time. Okay, one more time. One more time. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
I
You got me again. Get me one more time. Oh no. Nobody got a rock? Oh, Trish, I got you. You got a rock there. Oh, I crushed it there. All right.
got a rock.
You got a rock too, Mohammed? Okay, I got you. Okay, I got two of you. Fine. The rest of you got me, the ones who got Caesar. Cool, no problem at all. So are you ready? Everyone, sit straight. Sit straight. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, Mr. Smiley, what? I'm getting a call from Mr. Smiley. Mr. Smiley, okay, fine. What? Okay. Okay, Mr. Smiley says, bring something, this thing is, bring something that is blue in color. Blue, blue. Remember, not this, okay? Something other than this. Blue. Oh, yeah, no. My diary. Smiley gave me a diary. Okay, maybe two things that are blue. Two things, go. What is blue? What else is blue? There's nothing in my house. Blue? My dustbin is blue. Where is that?
It's blue.
Oh, what is that?
I don't see. Miss Sunshine.
I did not find anything that's blue. I just have a diary. Okay. You got so many things that's blue. Wow. Oh, look what Mr. Smiley is giving me. You want to see that? What is that? I just saw something. Oh, it's a shirt. A blue shirt. Look at that. What else you have, Mrs. Smiley? Okay. A blue mask. It's a mask. What else you have? Blue. Oh, look at that. It's blue again. Do you have something else? No.
Look.
I got a ball, a blue ball too. What else have you got? Nothing? Nothing?
Look what I got.
A blue water bottle. That's nice. Enough. No more. Oh. A plate. A blue plate. That's cool. That's good. So many things are good. Show me yours. Wow. That's nice, everyone.
Pencil also.
No, you. No, Mr. Smiley. That's dirty. No. No. Yeah. You gave me a dustbin. You. Yeah. Give me a sanitizer now. A blue dustbin? Who gives that? Sanitize my hands. Smiley.
I have a blue shell.
You have a blue shell? Can you imagine? Mr. Smiley gave me a blue dustbin and it was stinky. Ew. Dirty, gross, Mr. Smiley. Too bad.
Yes, look, a stick. That's in my book and my blue stick, teacher.
Yes, I saw that. Lovely. Good job, everyone. That's a lovely game. Mr. Smiley, you have to help me in clearing my table now, please. Okay. Okay, are we all ready now? Good job, everyone. I can see lovely things. Awesome. Now, sit straight, everybody. 5. Yeah, no paper. Remember, Alian? We told no paper. Yes, yes, Zen. Lovely. Zen has got a huge chart paper there.
2 colors.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yeah.
Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Now, listening ears. Chris, I want to see your face in full. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen one more time. And let's see what word we've got. Oh, I want to see the words, Mr. Smiley. Don't stop that. Mr. Smiley, I want to see the words I said. Fine.
What a smiley.
Yeah, Mr. Smiley is too naughty today. He gave me a dustbin. I'm not happy at all.
Teacher, would you show me Mr. Smiley?
That's a good one. Mr. Smiley? No, he says he cannot show his face.
I think it's not real.
Is
I think it's
you think it's not real? But I do get, see, I got so many things from Mr. Smiley. Do you still think it's not real? Who do you think it is then?
I think it's a husband. Yeah.
Okay. So you want to see my husband, Mr. Smiley?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you ask him, Mr. Smiley, come then. Because he says no.
Mr. Smiley? Yes.
Mr. Smiley, come. My children are asking you to come. Come, it's fine. You look handsome. It's fine. Come. Let them see. Idhar aao. He's so shy.
Why he's shy? Sometimes I saw.
Get down. Ah, there he is. He is my Mr. Smiley.
Teacher.
Yes.
You know what? The phone, right? 3 dots. This is
Now you
my
can go,
green.
Mr. Smiley. You don't need to be here. I told you not to call him. I said enough. Oh, thank God he's gone.
Hello, Mr. Smiley.
Join the lesson. He's a crazy Mr. Smiley, I'm telling you. Okay. He spoiled my hair.
Here's my favorite phone, like the 3 dots.
3 dots is your favorite phone? Yeah, that's the 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro. I actually gave away a kidney for my phone. Sorry, you won't understand this joke. Fine. Today is a very funny day. Okay, come on everybody. Let's read the next one.
Recording.
Okay. Come on, shall we try reading?
Yeah.
You. What's the word? Let's write it down faster. I think we're left with 4 or 5 words only. You.
And then.
Miss
And then.
wait now. Miss Aisha.
And then.
Mr. Smiley.
Hold on, sweetie, okay?
Mr. Smiley. Mr. Man, Miss.
What happened, baby? Hugh. Show me your work, everyone. Today, everybody has gone crazy, yeah? Including Mr. Smiley. He gave me a blue dustbin. That's ridiculous. I need to talk to him.
Even so boring.
Yeah, you did?
Yeah, in the end we have so fun because you're gonna be strong.
Okay, yes, of course. I know sometimes studying is real boring. That's why we have so many games in the middle. Okay, that's cool. All right, the next one.
Yay.
Ready? Okay. Okay, let's try reading this difficult word. Come on, everyone. Try with me, okay? Unmute yourself, everybody. This is not w, it's a v, okay? L. Well, you. Value. 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 What's the word? Everybody? Value. Okay, come on, write it down.
And then,
You're done? Did you read
Yeah.
it along with us?
yeah,
I don't think so.
I have to write.
Okay, value. I'm going to show it to you all once again. And then this is the word, value. Value.
Value, dancing me. My
Okay, now you show me your work, everybody. Okay, I can see that. Chris, can you take your work a little bit behind so that I can see it clearly? Yes, good job, good job, good job. Devi waiting for you, Nora, Mohammed. Okay, that's all, everyone. Perfect. I can see everybody's
the
work.
last word for my turn.
Okay, value. Last 2 more words only, and then we have a dance time. Okay, Shresh. Wait,
Teacher,
Shresh,
you
no.
want my
You want a
Teacher.
pillow, Shresh? Do you want Melissa pillow? Then you can
Teacher.
sleep and snore. Do you want that? Okay, go on. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So let's do this. Oh, no sleeping time now, okay? Melissa pillow is also sleeping. Okay,
Excuse me,
this a super duper difficult word. Come on, try.
so easy.
Okay, try then. This is kwa. You.
You.
Yes. Q. The line. Yes. Q. Can you all write down? You. Q. Are you done? Q.
Please, I'm done.
Okay. Let me show you my work first, and then you all can show me yours.
Can you show
You.
again?
Here, sweetie. What? You. You. Okay, now I want to see everybody else's word. Are you saying the word when you are writing it down? I don't see it. Your lips are sealed. Everybody, no, we don't do that. You're supposed to say the sounds when you are writing. Yes,
Teacher,
good job, Musa. Musa, I think in those 4, red and blue line books, you're supposed to write between those 2 blue lines only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't use those books here, but you can use the other single line book as well. You know, you can write on that or just plain white paper like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone done? Are you all done? Q. Okay. Okay. You missed one. E over here. Allah. It's fine. You have written phonetically, so that is also fine. It's absolutely cool. If you miss the E too. Okay, because we are not focusing on the spellings as of now. It's like you are writing phonetically, so that's fine. Most of the children, they write it that way. Okay. The last word. What is it? This is fun.
Argue.
What is it?
Argue.
Argue. I'm going to have an argument with Mr. Smiley later for giving me a dustbin. R. This is R. G. U.
Then show us the argument.
Yes. Can you write it down? Argue.
Done.
Done. Argue. Okay, I'm done too. Argue. See? Argue. Now, can I see your work?
I'm done.
You're done. That's lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Good job, everybody. Nora, you done too? Come on, Shresh. Done, sweetie. Argue. You. Is there a dinosaur in Allian's house? I think a blue dinosaur. I can see that. Wearing a black t-shirt. Oh, Mr. Smiley sent something. He said, sorry. Sorry. That's okay, Mr. Smiley. I'm not going to have an argument with you. I won't argue with you. So, do you think I should forgive Mr. Smiley for giving me a dustbin?
Yes, teacher.
How many of you say I should forgive? Then maybe I can try forgiving him.
Smiley's whole, remember Smiley's whole class is helping you. Let's give you.
Yeah, he does help me. That's true, Alian. I think I should remember the good things he did for me, right? Yeah, he did a lot of good things for me. So maybe I should remember that. That's nice. Okay, fine. Mr. Smiley, I forgive you. Oh, he's so happy.
I even the computer and in my home.
You did?
You did even some
Miss
pen?
Ayeshashaik,
Yes.
I left. I did not write the last word.
No problem. I'll share it with you. Okay, one more time. And children, just be ready. What we are going to do is we are going to read all the words one more time, and then we will have a dance time. Okay, and then we wind up. So next Sunday, you do not have a live Zoom class, but the video will be directly uploaded on YouTube. You will have to complete your task, and that's it. Share your work on FB group. Okay, then one of my team members is going to accept all the posts that you share, and that's how, remember, you all get certificates by the end of this course. We are going to finish in a few weeks, inshallah. Yes. Done, Devi? Argue.
Teacher,
Yes.
do you want some pen?
Okay. Now here we go. Everyone, come on. All of you are going to read it along with me. Okay, not before the teacher. So keep your marker pens down, everything down. Fold your arms and show me your best posture. Can I see the best posture? Who's showing me the best posture? Wow, everyone is correct. No, we are not supposed to read it that way. You are supposed to read it. Oh, Mr. Smiley sent something else. What is this?
Thank you.
Yes, it is thank you. Because I forgave him. That's sweet of you.
I mean, smile is so nice.
Smiley is, yes. Okay. What is that, Shesh? Okay, fine. I will say the sounds and you will tell me the words, okay? All right, that's how we go about, that's the deal. All right, everybody get ready. Okay, if you say it correctly, you get a star. If I say it correctly, I mean, like, if you don't, then I get a star. So it's that way. So you say it correctly, you get a star. If you miss it, you say it in the wrong way, then I get the star. Okay? So you can have your paper next to you and start giving yourself stars. Come on. Oh, Chris, Miss Aisha will say the sounds. Then you will blend. Okay, start. You make.
It's Q.
Okay. Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to say the answer only one time. Miss Aisha will say you. You will say Q. Okay, it goes that way. All right. Okay. Just check the background at everybody's end. Musa, please. Okay, next one. W. Everyone together, loudly. Okay, next one. Blue. Next one. You. Next one. Rescue. Next one. You. Okay, next one. Lu. Next one. You. Next one. Argue. Wow. How many stars did you all get? I got 0 stars because you all said answers correctly. How many stars did you all get? No, not millions, of course. How many words did we write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars. Okay.
You are the 0. You
got a 0. Yeah, you got 10 stars and I got 0. That's not fair.
I think I have to be the teacher for the day. You have to be the student for the day.
I think I should do that. Okay, children. So that was the euphonic sound that we learned. It's known as diphthong. Okay, don't want to confuse you. That's why I did not use that vocab in the beginning. Okay, we also say it as diphthong because there are 2 vowels that make one sound there. Okay, now, all right, dance time.
Yes.
I'll have to stop the recording. Thank you so much for joining, everybody. We're going to play the song now. Get ready.